Hey everyone, Sanjay here from Contra Podcast. You are listening to Consan Show, episode number 147. And in this episode, we are going to discuss about why entrepreneurs are generally being misunderstood in this society. And let's get started. Never listen to any advice. That's the advice that I want to give. These are nothing but you practice, you'll become an expert one. Your network is your net worth. But I don't know how to start. Just start. If you are going to do something different, something innovative, something new, people will just misunderstand your entire idea, your entire business, or your entire life probably. Why is because people are meant to be normal, people are meant to be put into same box, people are meant to be live in one particular circle. When you just try to overcome, when you just try beyond the box, people just try to misunderstand you. And it is like you need to understand, and you need to understand that you are meant to be misunderstood. If you are feeling like no, I'm not supposed to be misunderstood, I need everyone to support me, trust me, your idea is not great, or you can never do anything new in your entire life. That is how the world works. The greatest example that I get, or the greatest example that flashes in my mind when someone try to explain something, and when someone try to misunderstand them, is Nikola Tesla. So Tesla just invented AC current, alternative current. When he just tried to do that, everyone thought that Tesla is someone who is completely mad. And when Tesla just tried to explain something about cell phones, that is mobile phones, he was completely misunderstood by everyone who were living in the Tesla era. So in fact, Thomas Alva Edison, what he did was he just got an elephant, literally an elephant in a road, and he just experimented that in public. He just passed the alternating current to an elephant, and he just killed elephant, saying that Nikola Tesla has invented this particular thing called as alternating current, and this kills an elephant, and this will lead to killing more people. This is not completely safe, you don't have to use this. And that is how most of Nikola Tesla's entire inventions were completely buried deep down. And his inventions was completely amazing. He used to transmit electricity. I mean, his plan, he had a project that illustrates that he can transfer electricity via radio waves. How innovative is that? How innovative does that sound today? And people are trying to do that today, but they fail to do that. But Nikola Tesla had an idea about that particular thing. Maybe if he is alive today, if he would have been alive today as much as Thomas Alva Edison was, he would have invented how to transmit electricity via radio waves. That is how innovative people are being misled or being misunderstood in their entire life. If someone is trying to misunderstand you, if someone is telling you that your idea is completely horrible, your idea is completely bullshit, you don't have to worry about it. Why is because their brain or their particular environment is completely, they are not up to your level. Your environment, your brain is completely evolved. That is the reason they cannot understand things that you have in your brain. So that is what I wanted to mention. When you are trying something new, when you are trying to innovate, it is a norm that you have to be misunderstood. That is what that is how the entire world works, guys. And coming back to the shout out, I'm gonna give you guys a huge shout out, no matter whoever comment on my pictures and my episodes, my podcast, all that. Even in fact in this video, if you just comment, you would be the next person that I'll be giving a shout out in my particular videos. So make sure you guys comment, and those people who just take some 10 seconds, 15 seconds extra time to comment on my particular contents, I appreciate you guys, and you guys mean the world to me. Why is because in your busy life, you take some time to comment on my particular thing, you consume my content. There are lots of entertaining and stupid stuff, and in fact entertaining and beautiful stuffs out there on the internet. Instead of that, you choose to watch our videos and you feel to be motivated and educated. I completely owe you guys this particular time that you want to spend watching me. I wanted to make sure, I wanted to give my maximum effort to entertain you with motivation, entertainment plus motivation. So that is what I wanted to do, guys. Thanks a lot for watching, and bye bye guys, see you guys at the top.